the famous Dracula castle. You definitely wouldn't like this if you was claustrophobic. It's a nice setting here with the bloke playing the piano behind you. Bit posh for us, isn't it?
For you, maybe.
Do you want to see a relaxing hotel room in Brasov Square? If you can't beat them, join them. Buona domenica. Good morning from beautiful Brasov and Piața Sfatului, which means Council Square. So this is the main square in the centre of Brasov. It's a really beautiful medieval old town square, as you can tell. Shows no signs of its dark past, as this square was actually used as a place of execution and trials in the Middle Ages. Whilst the city and Romania was under communist rule, this whole square was made into a car park to discourage the city dwellers from socialising and congregating here in the square. Kit's just up in the room getting ready. We've got a busy day planned today, so I'm having a little mooch on my own this morning. And I just want to show you guys the Black Church. Let's check it out. So here it is, the Black Church. The Black Church is the largest Gothic church in Eastern Europe, and as you can see, it isn't actually black in colour. It earned its name from a fire in 1689 which darkened the city's walls. I'm back with Kit now. She's finally ready. And we've both just got a coffee from this lovely coffee shop here, CH9 Specialty Coffee. I definitely recommend. The lads in there are really nice, very helpful, and good coffee. And we're just waiting now for a boat as we're going to the Zarnesti Liberty Bear Sanctuary. So something very different today. Really excited about. So it's a bear sanctuary for bears.
Really?
That have been really, yeah, for bears that have been mistreated and been in the circus and stuff, and now they've found a sanctuary, like a nice safe place for them to breed and just live happy lives now. So really nice story, isn't it? Buona domenica. Ci faccio? Bene. So Brasov is actually located in the centre of Transylvania in the Carpathian Mountains, so beautiful landscapes just outside the city. Buona domenica. So change of plan. Unfortunately, we can't visit the bear sanctuary today as it's only open till 11 o'clock and it's 11:30 now. I've seen it opened at 9:30. It's my fault for not checking what time it finished, because you have to be on a guided tour. You can't just walk around in the area. So it is what it is. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to go to the bear sanctuary today. However, we got to see some beautiful views of rural Romania in the mountains, and we're now going to make our way to Bran Castle as it's only 20 minutes away. Salute. Right guys, we've just got to Bran and we're just making our way now to the castle, Bran Castle. You can see it up there. Just making our way now up to Bran Castle, the famous Dracula castle. Even though the Vlad the Impaler, there's no proof that he actually came here due to it being under the Austro-Hungarian rule. The reason the castle gets the association with Dracula is it fits the description by the book Bram Stokers Dracula. You definitely wouldn't like this if you was claustrophobic. I think the plus-sized people might struggle in this hallway. Yeah, it is, to be fair. It's a nice view, isn't it? This is the famous shot. I think everyone seems to get a photo here. I'm sure what the crotch is missing. Surely that's the area you want to protect the most. Tourist chaos as expected. Bună ziua!
Bună ziua!
Ce faci?
Bine! Ai învățat românește?
Right guys, so that's us done at Bran Castle. It's a nice castle, nice to go to an authentic Transylvanian castle. However, it is, Bran as the area as a whole is a bit of a tourist trap, as expected, and the castle was very busy. But nevertheless, it's definitely worth a visit if you're in the area. Beautiful castle. No dogs? Bună ziua! We've just arrived in Brasov and we've come to restaurant Sergiana. This restaurant was actually recommended by my friend Danny back in England, my Romanian friend who's actually from Brasov. It's got really good reviews. Apparently it's the best restaurant in Brasov. We were also told this from the Bolt driver and they've kindly brought us over some pork scratchings. Kit's already got started.
Oh, it's so good. These are the best pork scratchings I've ever had.
Oh wow, yeah.
Right?
For pork scratchings, they're incredible. So this is a traditional Romanian, Transylvanian restaurant. They do have other choices as well. Kit's seen a Greek salad on the menu, which is quite funny. It's a beautiful restaurant and we're looking forward to trying the food. Mulțumesc frumos. Noroc. It's got Coca-Cola in a wine glass.
I'm a classy gal, what can I say?
Noroc.
Noroc.
And for you?
Salut. Eu aș dori pork tenderloin. Vă rog. Right, so here's our food. I've got the pork tenderloin with the goat's cheese, blackcurrant jam, vegetables. Kit's gone for the wild boar with hazelnuts, right?
Yes, it's coated in hazelnut. I think it's cranberries and mash.
Bună ziua! Welcome back guys. So we just finished our meal in Sergiana's. Lovely restaurant, but I wasn't the biggest fan of my meal, I'll be honest. The first couple of bites were alright, but I kind of wish I ordered schnitzel instead because I love schnitzel.
I mean, the pork scratchings are the best pork scratchings.
Oh yeah, 100%. The pork scratchings were banging, but
We just went a fan of our meat, so we...
these houses here are absolutely stunning. Actually reminds me of Edinburgh. You know what street I'm on about in Edinburgh, the one on the hill? Yeah, it's a really beautiful street.
The dentist.
A lot of dentists here. Like I said, a lot of people come to Romania from Western Europe for dental work because it's a lot cheaper. It is.
I've seen narrower streets than this. I don't think it's that narrow.
This is Strada, Sforii, the narrowest street in Europe. And historically, firemen used it to get in between the tightly packed houses here in Brasov. What, do you think you've seen a narrower street than this, Kit?
Yeah, no, this isn't very narrow. This is like, look, it's a walk here. I was expecting you to have to walk like this down the street.
So this old gate here is the Șchei gate, and it was built when the Emperor of Austria, Francis I, visited Brasov in 1817. It's definitely the place to be at Christmas here, Brasov, isn't it? It's really Christmassy.
I can't imagine what it would be like out on the ferry, like.
Yeah, in the summer,
Yeah.
be a completely different experience. You probably feel like a different city, to be honest.
I feel like it's definitely more magical this time.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Yeah. Everyone's just lit up so nicely.
Right guys, we're back in the main square. Here's the town hall and the beautiful Christmas tree. And there's some kind of concert going on over here, so let's go have a look. Hasn't started yet, by the look of it. What a beautiful square this is there. I know I've already said it, but... So me and Kit have just came to a realisation. This concert will be held for New Year's Eve as it's tomorrow. Brasov seems a lot busier tonight. I think it's due to New Year's Eve being tomorrow. Look at the little dog. I just met some Sikh brothers in the Christmas market. I gave them a Satsri cow.
They're very impressed, aren't they?
Yeah, they were. Salute. Hello again, guys. We're back in the Drake bar. I forgot the name of the place there. Back in the Drake pub. And I'm double parked here. I've got a Weihenstephaner German beer and a Cuba Libre. I've already had a sip of this, it's really nice. What you got, Kit?
Pineapple Express.
It's nice.
It's basically a pina colada.
With kiwi?
No. I think it's... I don't know what the blue or the green colour is.
I've noticed as well, this beer here, it's the world's oldest brewery.
ASMR first, everybody. Not bad actually. It's drinkable.
It's a nice beer, isn't it? Would you be able to drink that, would you?
Yeah, I actually would.
There we have it, people. We found a beer that Kit actually likes.
It's not bad actually, that really isn't bad.
Buonasera. We've just sat down in Casa Hirscher Italian restaurant. Really nice in here, isn't it, Kit?
It is.
Bit posh for us, isn't it?
For you, maybe.
We're here now anyway to lower the tone.
Speak for yourself.
I'm only joking. It looks like a nice restaurant. As am I. Looks,
Sophisticated lady.
not a lady, no. I'm not a sophisticated lady, no. I'm a sophisticated gentleman. It looks like a nice restaurant. Mulțumesc frumos, mulțumesc. So we just got the menu.
We don't know what we want.
What you got, Kit? Classic goat.
Classic. You know me. Full of surprises.
Really looking forward to the meal coming out. So we've ordered truffle pasta.
I love the truffle pasta.
And it's meant to come out on a parmesan wheel inside the pasta. So
Spin it all in front of you, apparently.
mulțumesc.
Cu plăcere, enjoy.
You can definitely smell the truffle though, can't you? It's a nice setting here with the bloke playing the piano behind you.
It's nice. You can tell it's fresh as well, right?
Yeah, you can tell it's fresh. So guys, do you want to see a relaxing hotel room in Brasov Square?
Și acum cântăm cu toții, da?
It's just me everywhere. There's people watching.
If you can't beat them, join them. So this is our room up here. Got to pump it up.
Get an attitude. Drop it like it's hot, walk it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot.
It's the how good was that, kid?
I can't hear a thing.
It was so good, and that's free as well. Romania, you're smashing it. You know how to look after your people. I'm going to end the video from here tonight. La revedere. See you tomorrow. Ciao.
Ciao.
There We'll fast forward this.
I remember my first drink.
Kit was just saying how depressing that song was. It's finally ended. It was a bit. I'm just there like, please subscribe. And there's like some sad music in the background.
Okay, that's enough.